In this example, we're going to perform a subtraction of two rational expressions. Our first step when we're going to add or subtract our rational expressions is to make sure that our denominators are in fully factored form. Using some techniques that we've seen already, we can factor x squared plus x minus 2 into the binomial factors x plus 2, x minus 1. Similarly, we can factor x squared minus 5x plus 4 into the binomial factors x minus 4, x minus 1. Now what we need to do is we need to create common denominators for our two rational expressions. And specifically, we're looking to make a common denominator that has as few number of factors as possible. So we might notice that the factor x minus 1 is shared in both of our fractions. This means that when we're going to create our new fractions that have common denominators, we don't have to worry about the factor x minus 1, as it's already going to be a part of both of our denominators. Taking a look at the denominator of our first fraction, we notice that it's missing the factor x minus 4. So in our new fraction, let's add the factor of x minus 4 into both the numerator and the denominator. Similarly, when we look at the denominator of our second fraction, it's missing the factor x plus 2. So we're going to add that into our new fraction down here, x plus 2 in the numerator, as well as an x plus 2 in the denominator. And now notice that our new fractions both have an equivalent denominator. This means we can combine our two rational expressions in the following way. X times x minus 4 minus 2 times x plus 2 all over our common denominator of x plus 2, x minus 1, x minus 4. Now it tends to be at this step here where some students get confused. Now my tip is to expand and simplify the numerator only. We want to try to leave our denominator in factored form. That's going to help us for some of the procedures you're going to see in your calculus course. So expanding through the first term in our numerator, we're going to get x squared minus 4x. And then moving on to our second term, expanding through the brackets, we're going to get negative 2x minus 4. And I'm going to leave the numerator over our fully factored denominator. And let's collect like terms in our numerator to get x squared minus 6x minus 4. Now, here tends to be where most of the simplification is going to end. However, it is a good habit to get into checking this numerator to see if you can factor it, just in case a factor in the numerator and the denominator can be cancelled off. Now, you should be able to quickly check that this numerator is not factorable with integers. We can't find two integer numbers that multiply to give us negative 4 and add to give us negative 6. This means if our numerator is not factorable with integer numbers, then no factors in the numerator and denominator are going to cancel off. So it's okay for us to leave our final answer like this.